Da kispangut kisamla pulie bat kiru shampang haka pulie ke puthi haka lengkari India. Kilawan ban shimenta mata Sngi haka Sngi Sdang jongka 47 Indian Social Science Conference ke balapan long da ke Social Science Academy haringkat ke cinga trelang bat ke Skulbah Ustm Meghalaya balapan long mata Sngi ha auditorium hall ka Ustm. Ya kan ke Sngi Sdang lawan ban plipat ba da Dr. Vinod K. Gaur, Secretary Barim ke Mining and Earth Science ke Sarkar India kum ukongsan bat lasak hilang ru akan Sngi da kejing don lang Dr. W. Selva Murthy, Chancellor, badai pet kum amiti ke University Chhattisgarh, NP Chobe, General Secretary, ISSA, Professor G.D. Sharma, Vice Chancellor ke USTM, bat President ke Association of India University, Professor P.K. Sarkar, President ke ISSA, Professor Amit Chaudhary, bat kiwei.
On 15 August 1974, just after hoisting the flag by the Vice Chancellor in Allahabad University, we held a meeting for creating Indian Social Science Academy. We chose 15 August 1947 consciously because it symbolized freedom from slavery from British Raj. So if we have to remove the slavery, we have to create a science which will ensure what is said in the Constitution, freedom, equality and fraternity, and everybody will live a meaningful, healthy, quality life. Sarkar was part of that young medical circle movement, and he used to edit a rational drug magazine called Bodhi, and it was in Bengali as well as English. How, India is a big market of spurious drugs. If you want to know how this spurious drug network works, you have to read Professor D. Banerjee, who was in Jawaharlal Nehru University, founder of Community Medicine Center. He is a life member of the Academy, but he is now very old, no longer able to come.
The predecessors, all my predecessors as president of the Academy, held this chair were men and women of letters who have delivered presidential addresses of great erudition. I do not pretend to compare myself with such stalwarts or my knowledge with the depth of their knowledge and scholarship. I confess that I feel very humble, if not nervous, to address such a learned gathering.